Hi friends, today I just going to share you about love. What is love? The month of February 2021 and today is 13, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, that is 14, the day of love. And from 1 week back, there are so many occasions started related to love. प्यार करने वालों को प्यार करने का बहाना चाहिए, इसीलिए there is Rose Day, Chocolate Day, Hug Day, and so many days are going on. And finally, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. But today I just going to express you what is love, what is actual love. If you hear me up to last, definitely you'll feel the another story of love today. I'm assuring you. From my point of view, if you consider love is an abbreviation, the full form of love is long-lasting, optimists, V for verification, for emotion. Long-lasting, optimist, verification for emotion. What is that? Simply, if your mother is sick, she is too much optimist on you that my son or daughter will come and sit beside my head. Then a verification code automatically comes to your mind and you will sit just beside of her head. Then your mom will feel, yes, my son or daughter has some emotion for me. And if that verification code does not play in your mind, you never come there. If you are busy in your life, your mother is little bit sick, then optimistic thoughts for lifelong will come in her mind automatically. Then my son or daughter definitely call me once, or come to me and ask about my health. If the verification code will active, then he'll come. If that doesn't, then you just forget everything about this matter and your mom deserted and feel that my son or daughter not loving me. If your friend's doing the same, at night he just call you once, yes, dear friend, come to my house because I have to go to hospital, I have to admit my grandma. If you definitely go there, then they can verify that yes, he is my real friend, because you have some emotional attachment, that is LOVE, last E, emotional attachment with your friend. That is a love. If your siblings think about that they need some help and come to you because he is optimist, lifelong optimist, LO, then if you give something to them for help, then they verify it and they feel that yes, I have some emotional attachment with them. That's why love is fulfilled. That is love. Everything depends on give and take policy, nothing else. I'm talking to you very seriously. Before marriage, everything is good. When you are the teenager, you just finding out what is the reason by which I can meet with my girlfriend or boyfriend. That's why there are so many days, followed by these days. There is definitely some reason beside it, but from my point of view, I'm talking to you like this way. But after marriage, love at first sight and divorce at first fight. Don't do that type of love. Yes, love is such a thing which has some emotional attachment with each other. That's why I'm telling you, emotional attachment definitely be there. Otherwise, love never be fulfilled. And emotional attachment must be followed by that three things: long lasting, L, optimist. You are too much optimist, long lasting optimist, that I need that thing from that particular person. And there is a verification code, V. If that is activate, then emotional attachment will come togetherly. Before marriage and after marriage, there is vivid difference. Your chocolate day turns to your market going day. Your hug day turns to your tussle day. Your Valentine's Day turns to your going restaurant day. That is the true story of life. So friends, be practical today. I'm talking about the teenager and the younger and the people who are belonging adolescence period. For those, this message are for those who are belonging like that age. Don't be too much emotional about this. I've seen so many people are there, so many persons are there. They have lot of scope to stand in their life, but due to this emotional attachment, they forget about their proper goal, proper path of life. That's why they are diverted from their life. That's why they can't strike their goal in their life. So I'm telling you very frankly, whenever you set your mind that you have to go to your goal, in between that, there are so many options may come, like so many love scenes, so many like this may come, but don't take it seriously from your inner soul, from your heart. Take it lightly, and give a words. Then whenever I just make myself praiseworthy for the small world, when I prove myself, then definitely I'll talk to you. At present, I have no time to waste it. If you take it emotionally, if you are very strong in your education, if you are thinking that I have to strike in that goal, I have to reach there, and if that type of emotions comes to your mind, whenever you study, you can't concentrate yourself. That's why I'm telling you very frankly, go towards your goal without any hesitation and don't take it seriously, because everything depends on give and take policy. If you can fulfill all the wanting of your better half, then definitely you will get respect. Otherwise, you don't get respect. I'm talking to you very frankly from my inner soul. I'm talking to you very frankly. You may consider it. You may feel it. You may taste it. The person who already been tasted, you may ask them. So I'm telling you very frankly, at present love is very beautiful, and I'm wishing you all the lovers day become successful. You love each other, no problem, but don't take it emotionally. If you are the struggler, if you are the students, if you are the teenager, if you are containing the adolescence period, don't be diverted from your proper goal. Just go towards your goal. Definitely you reach your destination. Nobody can stop you, but you have to be very much promising character that I have to do it, and you have to take an oath that I have to do it. Nobody can stop me. I have to go towards my goal. That's why any kind of thing which may divert your mind, don't go towards there. Thank you a lot. God bless you. Love you all. Happy Love's Day. Like my video, then definitely subscribe it, like it, and share it. Thank you a lot.